Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our e-classroom solution that provides personalized online tutoring programs for school children. Let's look at why we need remote learning environment. Across Australia, there are around 20,000 homeschool students. The Australian homeschooling community is increasing over the years. The biggest growth in the homeschooling number is coming from the children who do not fit to the system, mostly on the autism spectrum. Students with disabilities and slow development need special attention and individual sessions. Students may need to catch up with any learning they may have missed due to the pandemic. There's a requirement of learning platform provide quality education to all students regardless of location and time. Students in rural areas and who travel frequently get more advantage out of this kind of system. Some students seeking extra support for their education needs. Let's get better understanding of our solution. eClassroom is a virtual classroom application. Supports students to remotely learn through fun activities. We use personalized approach that allow children to learn at their speed. eClassroom maintain a database of qualified educators and education materials fit for different subjects and age groups. Educators can enroll in the platform and create their profile with their qualification and experiences. Parents can search educators depend on their specialty and availability. Parents or students can rate and add testimonials to educators. Embedded learning environment systems help students to create their profile. Students can access their study materials and share their work with educators. We provide different subscription level. At the basic subscription level, subscribers can only download study materials. Other than that, we provide group sessions and individual sessions using video conferencing. Main benefit of eClassroom are maintain social distancing, cut down travel time, study in their own comfortable environment, personalized support, tutors can earn extra money, and we provide fully functional teaching environment. According to Techno Marketing Research, Australia is one of the fastest growing regions in online tutoring. Research reveals that 25% of students seeking study support. The current industry value is 1.3 billion and it's still growing. Global tutoring market size has potential to grow by $132 billion during the 2020 and 2024. I believe that solution makes difference in our online education industry. Thank you for your time and consideration. So now I'll open floor for the questions.